Today MTD CNC have travelled to the home of Brafe Engineering Limited in Ipswich to look at an absolutely fantastic application. Now, the application and the component is being made on this Grob G350T full 5th axis simultaneous machine with turning capability. They're manufacturing a valve body for the oil and gas industry from a solid titanium billet. It was previously made from a casting, but they've decided to make it from solid billet. This particular stage of the process is still in its roughing stage. It did take Brafe days to make this component complete, but now it's only taking them hours. And this has been achieved by the machine tool, full 5th axis simultaneous capability with turning capability. Secondly, the work holding and the cutting tools. But what's played a massive part in being able to achieve the time savings is the CAD/CAM package from SolidCAM, and specifically the iMachining and the iMachining roughing strategy. Lots more videos on this application coming out soon, but this is a perfect example of a complete machining solution when you incorporate some of the latest technologies and really highlights and identifies the fact that components are becoming more complex. And how do you reduce the cycle times on these components? Well, this is just one example of a complete process and a great success story from Brafe Engineering Limited in Ipswich.